I want to show you how you can install another operating system on your Acer notebook, but before we get started, there are a few things you should know. You'll need to locate the correct drivers for your computer and the operating system you're going to install, as many of them won't be installed automatically. You should create backup recovery media before you get started, in case you ever want to return to the original operating system that came with the computer. And if you ever need to call us for technical support, we'll most likely ask that you install the original operating system that came with the computer in order for us to troubleshoot it. If you look beneath this video in the description section, you'll find links to support pages that will help you with all three of these. So to get started, make sure that your computer is powered completely off and your installation media is inserted. Now power it on, and as soon as you see the very first Acer logo come up on the screen, tap the F2 key. Your computer should load into the BIOS, which will look similar to what you see here. Along the top of the screen, you'll see a few tabs. What you're looking for is Boot. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move over and highlight it. At the very top of this section, you should see Boot Mode. Most likely, this will be set to UEFI. To install most operating systems other than Windows 8, you'll need to change this. Just press Enter, and then use your arrow keys to move down and highlight Legacy BIOS, and press Enter again. You may get a warning letting you know that boot devices will not change. Just press Enter, and then press the F10 key on your keyboard, and press Enter. Your computer will restart, and you need to tap F2 again as soon as the first Acer logo comes up in order to get back into the BIOS. Move over to the boot menu like you did before, and it'll now be in Legacy mode. It's important to note that if you ever update your BIOS, this may revert back to UEFI, and you'll need to change it to Legacy again. Below this, you'll see the boot priority list. What you're looking for is your installation media. If it's on a DVD, then you'll want to move down and highlight CD-ROM or DVD-ROM, depending on what options you have. If it's on a flash drive, then you're looking for USB HDD. Use your arrow keys to move down and highlight the correct one for you, and then tap your F6 key until it moves to the top of the list. Now press F10, and then press Enter to save the changes and exit. Your computer will restart. This time, just let it load and it will boot into your installation media. I'm installing Linux, but you can also install Windows or whatever operating system you'd like. You'll simply progress through the respective setup process for whichever operating system you choose. If you have any other questions, please visit our website, www.acer.com.